Here's how to use eSewa to buy movie tickets or event passes. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It helps us a lot. Thanks, guys. First step, you need to open your eSewa app. After that, you can see travels and ticketing. So you need to tap on there. So when you tap on there, you can see movie and events. So you need to tap on the movies and you need to select that movie hall name and randomly just reserve that seat which movie you wanna see in the coming days or in a day. Yeah, so you need to choose that and you can easily book that. So when you come back to there you can see events. Now you need to tap on the events and there is only one live session in Kathmandu. You can easily just tap on there and book the seat. Yeah, you need to mention your name, contact number and email. So after that your book. So guys, that's how you do. Thank you very much guys for watching our video. Hope you guys to see you all in our next video.